also have to keep your social distancing. Don't ride 4 or 5 of y'all in one car. Y'all all kind of spread out. That way y'all already see each other. Last year we had a kid get hurt. Stay behind Miss Dolly, which is the black truck that's in the road. Do not pass her up. Stay in the right lane because the lanes are open for travel. Everybody got a face mask? Look at that. Father Shoe came through again. And if your bike breaks down, stop where you at. Mr. Tom is going to be in the back with his truck. So pick you up. And one of the police officers will stay with you. Alright, everybody come to the street. Hold them stop, Darlene. And remember, boys, don't get crazy, because we know how y'all are. Every year our trouble is